bate chimbu chingia. So I think that we can be able to keep people accountable by having values. Igo telling abantu babemba iyo. Even bad voters are there, not just bad leaders. Na voters yaba bena barombaro. Bagocha gwake kura batindete abane bagocha gwake kura baire chibesa abane mbali gocha gwake kura obunenga kie by elections. Nale konyoro monto nchira namaboli ngyo tarachi gwake kura ngande on ba toroli nkabuli okororo konkieke bano ngambarato akende tuchu wake kura igono mwake kona bako bomo bigaba ntaba bembaro. But we want to build a country where systems work, ne country where bokurumibo, even if it's there, yani it's not obokurumibo go damage a country, go damage system, go damage the healthcare. Abantu bako iba so much money that there is not even little money left for development. For that I disagree with it. And as you can see, nchitinda tebanga nimbwate bitinda tina tebanga ntoga sinyaine na ala sugeti oro bebe bobolemo. Tina te osinango serete osina atomete bantu bakanda mo sibakora. I don't have an issue. I just want a proper direction of where we are going, and that direction which we are going here at Jubilee, I disagree with it. Now some people could agree with it, maybe because very loyal as a tribe.
Now that you disagree with the Jubilee direction of Jubilee, can you give an alternative route?
If I was there, I would have given an alternative, but I'm not there.
But we are
talking about the leadership of our country. I'm a taxpayer. I pay taxes. This is my money I'm talking about.
So you're
and your money. This is what I can tell you. According to me.